Beats by Dallas, make it hurt.
Hello, hello. Good evening. We're back again. Tonight, I almost forgot actually this one. You know, this is like more than 2 months now. The white rum infused with the jackfruit actually. It's really, when I checked today, I can't believe it. Just smells really awesome. Really good. Really good. And then this one also, the white rum, and then the raspberry fruits. You know, it's really good. Really good. It's almost like you can just shot. You know, if you drink, I just have like little shot. It just like melt in your mouth. It's really good. Anyway, the drinks that we're gonna make tonight is the COCOLOCO. COCOLOCO, it's contained with the coconut rum anyway, so that's what. Coconut rum. And then I get the Grenadine Syrup. I get the Melon Liqueur. Then the white rum infused with the jackfruit, the langka. And then I got the calamansi. And then I have the marshmallow French fries, you know, style. I got the, I got flowers for the garnish. These flowers, my own flowers outside the backyard. Actually, we have lots of flowers in the backyard, so it's good. And then, of course, young coconut. I just read this young coconut as a garnish also. So let me get some ice. The last time I got the ice bucket, I don't know where's the ice bucket. They keep somewhere with my wife. I don't know. So I just use this back again. All right. This drinks like easy actually. It's easy to make. You know, it's a scoop of ice. Scoop of ice. And then the coconut rum, 45 ml. Oh, a jigger of the white rum, so about 30 ml. So this is like infused with the jackfruit. Smells really awesome, really good. Smells really good. And then the Grenadine Syrup. I just inject this Grenadine Syrup. This is like, I was like 15 ml. So another 15 ml of the Melon Liqueur. And now the calamansi. Okay, my knife. So you have to be careful to squeeze the calamansi actually, because there's lots of seeds. You know, the little one. The citrus actually, calamansi and melon, lemon or lime, just to balance the taste, you know. Because somehow it's like the drink's too sweet, add the citrus, like the lemon or lime, and then it balances the taste. Oh, see, I forgot. So there's a seeds inside, but forget it. That's good. Good to go. And then top with the Kali. This is the non-alcoholic, like sparkling pineapple. You know, it's not a juice, but it's the sparkle one. See that? And then we have to put the garnish, the marshmallow on top, like the price of mallow. So don't be shy, just put as many as you can. It smells really good. It smells like almost like tutti frutti. And then shredded coconut. This is the young coconut. See how it goes? Right? This is almost like a noodles, right? So just put it in nuts, like tie a knot, and the coconut will always a coconut. Here we go. Put the straw on top. And then the flour. See this is the real flour. This is my flour outside. I got lots of flour outside. Good? Cool? All right. Cheers, guys. Okay, before we forgot everything, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button and the notification bell button anyway, and share it in my Naked Mixology Facebook page, and then I got the Instagram also. Thank you so much, guys. Happy weekend. Voila.